Very often, you will need to perform data analysis sometime after you have collected your data. Fortunately, you can install Mars on any computer and perform data analysis at your leisure. Today, we will work with a dataset that only has raw data from a BCA assay. You will see how it is possible to change the layout to allow for standard curve calculations to be performed. Some other features will be addressed as we go along. The OD value for a group of protein samples is shown here. The data is the OD at 562, which is relevant for the wavelength of the BCA assay. You can add information to the current view in this microplate representation. You can work to change the layout from the Home tab and click Edit Layout, or you can go into the Layout tab where you can view the test run layout and click Edit there, or you can click on Change Test Run Layout. We'll start with the standards. There are 4 replicates, and they are arranged vertically. So highlighting the appropriate wells in columns 1 through 9 adds this information. Blanks are located in column 10, and as far as samples, there are again 4 replicates that are arranged vertically in columns 11 and 12. Before we save the data, we need to add the concentration of the standards. These standards have a concentration unit of micrograms per milliliter, and since the concentrations are unique, we need to type in the values individually. After the last concentration values have been added, we can then click Apply and Save. You need to accept that changes will be made to the data. Since we have blanks on our plate, it would be useful to add this correction. So go into Calculations and select Corrections, and then you can apply this blank correction. To create a standard curve, we can click on the Standard Curve Wizard and make sure the settings are what you would like to use. We know that sometimes the data for a BCA assay is best represented by a 4-parameter fit. Then click Apply and Close and you will see the standard curve. The curve fit statistics look pretty good, and we can add information in the curve by adding error bars, and then subsequently go back to the microplate view to see the recalculated concentrations. We have seen just a few of the tools that Mars has available. If you have a question about these or other Mars functions, please contact us.